Me while I mute myself and eat my
fucking
chips.
side piece? Go find her.
Oh.
There's no side piece. There's nothing other than you, Plasma.
All I hear is her go.
I've loved you. I've loved you ever since Mom brought you back from the hospital. I remember the day you were born.
Oh, what?
That's a little weird.
Yeah, that's
Wait, are you guys fucking? Wait, and you're fucking?
incest.
Yo, fuck! What the fuck?
Oh my god, y'all gonna have some disabled kids.
What?
They're disabled, you fucking inbred.
We're fine, alright? She's 3 generations inbred, so she had to get a hysterectomy.
Oh my fucking god, I hate you.
It's alright.
I fucking hate you too. I hate you.
Stable.
Yes, very, very stable.
Their relationship is fucked.
There's never a dull moment.
Their relationship is...
Damn right. She has 3 holes.
Why?
Why? No.
Why?
Why do you say these things?
Below the waist. You should get that
the
checked
fuck
out.
Get out of here with your third nipple.
Today. Oh my god, is that Elijah or Chris?
You know that came from my best Bobby
With
Uncle
your
Richie.
nipple.
That's an inheritance.
Listen, go
Can't
see the
give me much,
doctor
but-
about your dysfunctional. What is it called? Erectile dysfunction. Whatever the fuck it is.
Erectile dysfunction. Erectile
You know why
dysfunction.
that
Is that what you're
happens?
trying to
It's
say?
only whenever I can smell
Trying to say he has problems with his pee-pee?
Yeah, he
Initiated me into
can't
the
get
family
it up.
incest group.
This man cannot get it up. He can't get it up. That's the problem.
It's only whenever I smell an old person.
Have you
It's the
tried-
only time. I just can't fuck with retirement homes. We need to stop visiting your goddamn grandma so much.
Use your grandma's ashes. Maybe that'll help. Try snort number 4.
Yeah, I wish she had
Help my
ashes.
dad.
The bitch is still alive. Every single time we go to her grandma's little retirement home, all I do is smell old people. Reminds me of the day I fucked my own grandma. And guess what I feel inside? Lost. I feel forgotten. She doesn't give a damn. She says, let's fuck next to grandma. It'll make her feel younger. I say, that's sick. We shouldn't do that. We might kill her. But every day, I plunge my soft sausage pre-cooked right into her roast beef sandwich with my mustard.
Stop. You've taken it far now. Just stop.
You took it way too far.
And once I plunge into the depth,
Like,
grandma,
I'm your friend and all. I'm your friend and all.
I'm too young to hear this. What the fuck?
Shut your fucking mouth.
Bro, I should have known. I heard enough when my mom told me how she had sex on the beach with my brother's dad.
Wait, what did you just say?
Hey, they won't teach you that in sex ed, kid.
What is going on?
I haven't a clue, fucking,
I don't even have
Okay,
but I'm not sure we ever really knew.
I'm gonna stop recording now. That was fun.
Why were you recording?